Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Cooking. I'm your host Chef Suraj. Today we'll be making a popular Indian dish which is made out of mutton known as the mutton Rogan Josh. So whenever you walk into a restaurant and you think of having mutton, the first thing that comes to mind is mutton Rogan Josh or mutton do pyaza. But today we'll be making mutton Rogan Josh. It is an authentic Kashmiri preparation. It goes way back around 600 to 700 years and it was given to Kashmir by the Mughals and it has a Persian influence. So there are two variations. One is the Kashmiri Pandit style and other one is a Mughal style. So in the Pandit style, they add a lot of asafoetida, but they avoid using ginger or garlic as it is forbidden. Whereas in the Mughlai preparation, they use a lot of ginger and garlic. But today we are not making the authentic Kashmiri Rogan Josh. Many people think it has a lot of gravy, but it's not true. The authentic Kashmiri Rogan Josh is very dry preparation and it is one of the main dishes of the Kashmiri cuisine known as the Wazwan. But today we'll be making a restaurant style Kashmiri Rogan Josh, what you find in most of the restaurants all over India, which has a lot of gravy inside. So for making the Rogan Josh, we use lamb shanks because all the primal cuts of lamb goes into the mutton Rogan Josh. So we have some lamb over here and we got some juliennes of onions. So let's begin with our preparation. And we always use mustard oil in the preparation of Rogan Josh, even in the authentic style. Let's begin. Add some mustard oil. And Rogan Josh means it should have a lot of Rogan. That's the reason I'm adding a lot of oil. Now I'll be adding our jeera. We're adding little quantity of jeera. Now we add our whole garam masalas. In the whole garam masalas, we are adding some cinnamon. Now we add some cloves. We'll be adding black elaichi, not green elaichi. If you do not find black elaichi, you can definitely add green elaichi. But I'll be using the black elaichi. Now I'll be adding some mace, which is also known as Javitri. So we'll be requiring just one mace. We'll just mix it up. Now we'll be adding a sliced onion to it. Just disintegrate the onions. As you can see, they are slightly turning golden in color. Now at this stage, we add our ginger garlic paste, somewhere around 2 teaspoons. Maybe 2.5. And now we cook the ginger garlic paste along with the onion. Now we cook this until the onion turns brown in color. Now at this stage we have completely cooked our onions. Now we will be adding some Ratanjot oil. So basically this is normal oil which is mixed with Ratanjot. So Ratanjot is basically a herb which is put in hot oil and it leaves out the color. So this is known as Ratanjot. So this gives a red color to the gravy. So just mix it up. So as you can see the red color over here. Now we'll be adding our tomato puree to this. And mind you, Rogan Josh never asks for tomato puree or anything related to tomato. But since we are making a restaurant style mutton Rogan Josh, we'll be adding some tomato puree to it. So we have our tomato puree. We add some tomato puree, we mix it well and try to purchase the tomato puree from outside because the tomatoes what you get in India basically they are not so red in color. As you can see, the tomato puree is really red. It is a packed tomato puree. Now we add in our masalas. So we have some garam masala, little bit, not much because we already added a whole garam masala to it. Now we season it with some salt. Now we add some turmeric powder. We add some coriander powder. So now we add in our Kashmiri chili powder. So we take it into a bowl. We'd be adding a lot because Kashmiri chili powder is not that spicy and it gives a good color. Now we'll be adding a little water to it, or you can add oil as well. And be mixing really well. As you can see, the color is thick red in color. We add little more water. now we'll be adding this chili paste to our gravy. Now we add in our mutton. We need to add in some water. Now we cook it for another 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see, it's been like 25 minutes now, and the mutton has cooked really well. As you can see, the oil is coming out, and you can see the mutton is also coming off the bone, which means it is completely cooked. So in the final stage, we add little more water because we'll be adding some curd to thicken it. Now I'll be adding some curd for the thickening. Just a little bit. So now we'll mix it well. So as you see, after adding the curd, it has thickened. Now we reduce the flame. We'll add some fennel seed powder. Now we'll be adding some ginger juliennes. So few ginger juliennes. We add some coriander. Some ghee at the last. So we'll be adding some ghee. We'll give it a nice stir and take it out into a bowl. Switch off the flame. You can see it has a good red color with a lot of gravy. I'll put it into a bowl. So we'll be adding some chopped coriander and the rogan of Ratanjot, just for garnishing purpose. So that's a mutton Rogan Josh for you in a restaurant style. Please do try it at home and share your feedback. You can also mail to me at chefsurajpuli@gmail.com, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.